dog. What is this? Oh, I got this cat, and this cat, and this cat. And you might be wondering where it is. Is Pigno. What is black? And now he's the one sleeping, resting. He is Chunky. Yeah. What's trampoline for? Boing, boing, boing. Standing. Whoa, look at her! Whoa! Has expanded! Is that added? The frog. Okay, I'm gonna do this. Oh, okay, sure, whatever. Look at our vlog. Keep that. Actually, I'm gonna keep that. Ooh, what? I'm gonna get 1,000? That's gonna take a long time, so just vlog. Why is this frog so rich? What the hell? Oh, she just disappeared. What? Okay. Let's just go. What should I do? I'm gonna get a new cat. Yes. I'm gonna do it. Where should I put it? Put it here. No, wait. Here. Yeah, here. New cat. Let's go. Twinkle star. Let's go. Whoa! What is it? Whoa! What's that? It's like a bear. Look at him. He's using something. What are you using? Oh, he makes like a milkshake. Wow, that's much better now. Yeah. I'm gonna wait for a frog again. Look at him. What should I call him, guys? His name should be Barry. Look at him, Barry. Hi, Barry. Okay, so this is Barry. This is Blue. And then we are told you. His name is Chunky. This one over here. Pink nose. And yeah, that's basically all. So I got 4 cats now, guys. Wow, look at all these cats. I love cats. If you're a cat fan, subscribe and like. If you're a dog fan, just like the video. I guess we got away, guys. Look at this guy. So we got boing, and this got blurp. It's got swish. This one was thud. This one was whiz. Yeah, I guess that's when it rains. I want to see that frog again. Oh, it's been so long. We're waiting so long. No, guys, I'm still 156. What should I do, guys? I wonder. I just gotta wait until it's nighttime. Let's just check these things. So first, we got this thing. Ooh, let's see. Oh my God, let's go. Oh my God. 5. Yeah. Whoa. Okay. Now let's go to the others. I guess I just gotta do quiz. Tests. I just gotta test. So I do the test. I get a lot of stuffs. Yeah. I don't know what exactly the stuffs are, but where's rain? Anyway, guys, the Hungry Woman video will come out soon, guys. Hungry Woman movie will come out soon. I don't know when, but soon. I'm not exactly sure when it is going to come out, but probably today or tomorrow. I don't know. Soon. Very soon. Very soon. Oh God. I got 106. Hell. And then we get through this one. This one's just the carrot things. This one we're waiting for 2,000. 3 donuts. What did this donuts? What happened? Just this. Yeah. Anyways, we got nothing so far because it's boring. I mean, it isn't that boring. It's just gotta wait a long time, especially a long time. So I guess see you in a bit. I guess. Get ordered. Wow, look at that. Oh my God. No, gotta get all this food. I got that much so far, guys. Just need a new cat. Look at this. The driver. There's nothing. What? See. No wait. Nah. I think I crashed because the game was laggy. If it was on a part 2, yeah, sure. I mean, it's not a choice. I mean, if this video got like at least 2 or 3 likes, I will make a part 2. I mean, look at Poppy Playtime, Roblox, Suspect. We're gonna play that soon. Mastering Monsters, I don't know when. Thank you for watching. Wish you like. Goodbye.